I'm just going to jump straight into the old vlog. Welcome to Plopsaland De Panne in the pouring rain. It's dipping it down, but it's scheduled to stop raining about 3 o'clock. Oh shoot, there's Bumper. Yeah, I'm super excited to be here. It's literally like bucket list park. I'm really hoping that Ride to Happiness is open. If it's not, then, well, we're going to have to come back. But yeah, I'll take you along for the day and wish me luck. Just like that, the theme park is officially open. We are... There we go. Anyways, we're on our way now to Heidi The Ride. God, that's wet. That is so wet. No. Oh, let's go that. Whoa, okay. Oh! It's always good to do these kind of like wooden coasters as like the first ones, because they're like just so much fun, and that's the first time I'm doing it. The first drop was wicked, loads of little airtime pops here, there and everywhere. Yeah, it definitely doesn't have anything on the other Wicker Man, but it doesn't matter, because then we get to enjoy that back home. Oh, annoyingly it's raining, but as I said before, but I'm going to keep mentioning it because I absolutely hate the rain. Ride number 2. Do we have a name for this? Do we have a name for this one? Oh my god! Ah! Turn in and then turn out. Ah! Did you enjoy that? Huh? Yeah, if you like pull in and then pull out, it's quite frightening. Oh, no. That's not happening. It's soaked. Oh, wet bum. My pants are like soaking wet. Oh, it's so fucking wet. So, we have done the I Love the K3 coaster. There it is there. Very nice. And, well, basically all the time I walk around this theme park, it's really pretty here, but there is one addition that is lingering around, blooming if you will. It's in the background, and here it is. Hello! People in the vlogging. There we go. Ride to Happiness. Looks absolutely nuts. It'll open. Quick update, we have now done a little water. You sit in like a little boat and you go around a little course, which is lovely. Everyone here is probably getting sick of me complaining about the rain, but the music here is actually really cool. It's a classical style music. We love that for them. So that is a few more flats under our belt. There's literally, honestly, no one here. Most of the rides are just waiting for people to get onto them. That side of part of it is just, you know, that is awesome. And then about 12:30, all the main coasters are going to be opening. So like Anubis, Ride to Happiness, yeah, hashtag Like Me coasters just opened, so things are looking up. I can see the sun, the mood has definitely changed, and yeah. But I definitely want to come back here on like a really awesome like summer's day. The ride to happiness has just been seen testing. Mate, that is so, I'm literally buzzing so much. Let's do it. Let's flip and do it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, these are slower. What the hell? What? Oh my god! Oh, another rain. Oh my god! What the? The music! It's an aggressive ride. So, I have just done the ride to happiness, and oh my god, words cannot describe. I was just not prepared at all for what that ride was going to be like. You come out the station into the JoJo roll, and you're like hanging just like off by this tiny little lap bar, and then you sit on the launch for a tiny bit, and then it's like this so snappy. You like feel this, and it's like this quick punch, like absolutely launches you. And then there's the rest of the layout was just some sort of crazy blur of spinning around and going up, going down, being launched out your seat, hanging again. Oh yeah, that ride is amazing. Luckily it's quiet, so I'm gonna have to do it like 101 more times. But yeah, I'm so glad that this ride's like lived up to the hype, because like I was so excited to do it all throughout today, and then and then it was actually really good. Because we just had some lunch. All the restaurants were shut here. Everything, Pizza Hut, all the like places, so we just had a little baguette. To be fair, baguette was actually really nice. But now we are going to do Anubis, this Gerstlauer with a launch in it. I hear great things about this launch. Apparently it's really punchy, so I'm really looking forward to actually get on it. So here we go.
We're going to Anubis.
Oh, it's wet.
I'm so ready for this launch.
Whee! Oh, bloody! So painful! Oh my god! Can't watch this POV because I've got eyes closed. Whoa! place at once. So when I get home, I'll watch what actually happened. Oh, it's pitch black. But yeah, there's no queue, so we're just going to go and do it straight again, and then the other guys sit at the front and enjoy the bane. So the perfect thing to do when it's raining is go on a log flume, and get even more wet. So we're going to go do Dino Splash now, which is it's supposed to be once again like an amazing log flume. I better not get wet though. Next up, Dino Splash.
Remember, if anyone gets wet, it's
Oh, I had to step in a bit that I wanted to sit on. I've got a terrible feeling this is going to come over onto my legs.
I'll try to do my best.
No, it's fine, but it's just how it is now. Oh, no. Oh
no.
That was fine.
How was it at the front?
Yeah, absolutely fine. No, this guy ruined me last time.
Oh. Where's got the giggles?
Oh, right now you sound like that person you're on film for. I feel like the sounds you got making are just that person.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we've seen him. Great. Bye. Dino Splash was amazing theming, but soaking wet. Massive shout out to Claire for taking the full force of the water. She's soaking wet from head to toe. We came off bone dry. So thank you, Claire. Oh, I'll tell you what, it feels good to be vlogging on the nice camera again. But now we're just going to do the ride to happiness over and over and over again until the day closes. So I've just spent some time trying to film it, trying to get the best shots as possible. Little review of Plopsaland. It's on the screen, right? Plopsaland is really, really cool. It's smaller than you, I think, but not like too small. But obviously, the ride to happiness is kind of like the main roller coaster that everyone wants to do. And for good reason. The thing is amazing, very intense, so if you don't like being thrown around it might not be for you, but at least try it once because I absolutely adore it.
Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh no, we're going sideways.
Sideways launch?
Sideways.
Oh my god! We go backwards again! Fantastic. What do you think, Claire?
Fantastic. So good.
Best ride ever. Oh my goodness. So, ride to happiness. At the back, we did a backwards launch, we did a backwards drop. I had no idea what we were doing. Me and Richard were literally just kind of like laughing at each other, just like, what on earth is going on? Yeah, that is the best ride I've ever done. Sorry, Icon, you've been moved down, but at least they're 2 max. And now we're gonna go check out the park, and then near the end of the day, we're just gonna smash it, because that ride is something special. Goodness me, so we've just been lapping the ride to happiness. It is now 5:21. Park closes at 5:30. So hopefully 2 more rides left, but we will see. This ride is a gem. I've not done this bit backwards. Oh, Sunny! Oh, so that is it from our day at Plopsaland De Panne. We finished off, I think, with a grand total of 8 rides on the Ride to Happiness, which is mental. But yeah, if you're coming down to Plopsaland, you've got to go on the Ride to Happiness. It's amazing. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed my day here. I'll definitely be back in the summer to bask in that gorgeous weather, but I will see you next time. Bye.